Hi, I'm Nathaniel Deal, and this is the AmmoCounter Mark IV overview. This counter features our latest AmmoCounter V3 chip, so if you'd like to learn more, a video link can be found in the description below. So, let's take a look at what's inside of the box. Okay, so inside the box, you receive your Mark IV along with the barrel extension. You'll also receive a patch and sticker and a USB for charging, along with a instruction manual for the V3 kit that will tell you how to program and change settings in the advanced menu. Okay, so let's set the muzzle aside and take a second to talk about the Mark IV. The Mark IV is available in two types of mounts, Nerf or Picatinny. Both options are available upon checkout at the shop. If you decide to pick Nerf, you'll notice that there is a set screw on the side. Simply put this on the Nerf rail and tighten until it touches the rail to secure the counter to your Nerf blaster. The power switch is located on the side. Simply push it forward to turn the counter on, and push it back to turn the counter back off. On the front, you'll find two buttons that will allow you to toggle between the pre-programmed clip sizes and access the advanced features that are available in the included instruction manual. The MK4 can be mounted in any position, top, bottom, left, or right. To change the position, simply remove the two screws that are on the top of the counter. Once you remove the two screws, simply set them aside and then grab the back top half of the counter and then lift it off. Once the top has been removed, simply pull the face up and out. You'll notice that the face is connected to the rest of the body with this 3-pin connector. Make sure that this connector is still connected when you put the face back in. Just rotate the face to whichever side you like and then slide it back into the grooves on the counter. After it's back in place, grab the top and replace it along with the two screws. And there you go, your counter is ready to be installed in the new position. Now let's take a second to talk about the barrel extension. This is the barrel extension that is included in the Mark IV kit for Nerf darts. This extension will work with any Nerf gun that has the N-Strike attachment, such as a Rapidstrike or a Stryfe. The extension also includes a custom Nerf barrel locking ring by AM34 Designs. The locking ring actually fixes a lot of issues that I had when trying to connect this barrel to multiple blasters. If you'd like to learn more, just look up AM34 Designs on Thingiverse. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to access the IR beam. In order to access the IR beam, you need to remove this screw at the top of the extension. Then simply slide off the orange piece, and now you have access to the USB cable. The USB cable is connected to the IR beam. Simply pull the USB cable out of the IR beam and then locate your USB connector that was included in your package. Plug the USB connector into a computer or an iPhone charger and look at the back of the unit. You will see a red light that indicates that the unit is charging. When the unit is done charging, the red light will turn to a green light to indicate that the battery is fully charged. And then finally, you want to remove your USB connector and plug it back into the barrel extension. As before, last grab the barrel sleeve, making sure that the wire is in the notch at the bottom, and then return the set screw to the front of the extension. The Mark IV is compatible with a number of different muzzles. There is a muzzle brake available in the AmmoCounter shop if you would like to install this on the end of a Nerf barrel. To install the muzzle, simply unplug it from the included barrel extension and plug it into the back of the new muzzle brake. This muzzle is recommended for blasters such as FDL or Caliburn. We are also currently beta testing a paintball muzzle. If you are interested in joining our beta program, please visit AmmoCounter.com/paintball, and we will be in contact via email. I would like to give a special thanks and shout out to Dustin Westerby and Daniel Johnson for all of their help in making this happen. The Mark IV scope is available today at AmmoCounter.com. Please visit the shop and contact us if you have any questions.